Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Armin and I just got a big box. Well, it's not that big, but the content is really nice. And if you have not read the title already, you have no idea what's going on in here. No, of course we're talking about the unboxing of the brand new Shoei RF 1400. And this is the Prologue graphic. So this is just a quick unboxing video. There will be other videos on this channel about a full review, modifications, communication system, GoPro mounts, etc. on this helmet and on this channel. So please subscribe. Also leave comments below. How do you like the graphics? Will you get one of those as well? But without any further ado, let's open this up and have a look at this brand new helmet. Alright, normal Shoei box, 5 years warranty. We have the R1400 Prologue here in my size large, and this is the black and red version, and there's a little bit of gray. Unboxing. Alright, very typical. With Shoei you get a Pinlock Evo insert. This is for the new shield, the CWR F2R. And you can see already there's the F2 and the racing version. Really good for not fogging up the lens. Goodbye. But to the main bit. You see it's nicely packaged so it doesn't move around. Here we have a manual, breath guard, chin guard, and silicone oil to lube up the silicone gasket that goes around the visor port. Alright, and the main part, the Shoei helmet. It always comes in this nice bag that you can use for carrying and storage. Oh, it smells like new Shoei helmet. And the grand reveal. And here we have it, the Shoei RF 1400 Prologue in the black, red and gray. Actually the spoiler is gray, I didn't see that on photos before. This one comes with the clear visor. Alright, quick look around. You have now the center locking, makes a nice click. It's really easy to open. Without talking, again a click. Very nice. Also, without seeing anything, you can now really easily find this guy. Has 2 levels. Very easy. These vents, same style, feel good. And then let's see if I find the third one. Oh yeah, here. So all of them have 2 levels. They're much easier to find with gloves now. Very cool. Visor operation feels a little bit easier than previously. Now you have a better riding, city riding, where you have like just a finger through open here. And then you have like a tiny little crack for less wind and closed. Alright, this is the first time I'm having this on my head. Fit-wise, exactly like you expected from Shoei. Feels the same as a RF 1200 or X14. I'm directly super comfortable. I don't have any spots that are uncomfortable. What I can feel though around the jaw, this is a little bit tighter. Makes a really nice seal now, especially I have a narrow face. If you have a narrow face as well, it's probably going to help. This should keep out a lot of the wind noise because the jaw really makes a super tight flush finish. Doesn't feel uncomfortable, and just like it's a really good pressure. I actually like it better than the previous fit, and this is supposed to be a little bit quieter. The chin still has some room. I feel like the chin is a little bit shorter than before, but in a detailed comparison, that will be all that kind of good stuff. Just wanted to give you the quick overview of this Shoei RF 1400 in the black, red and gray graphic called Prologue. I hope this was helpful. Again, there will be more content about this helmet very soon. Please subscribe and like, and see you next one, and bye.